Hey, welcome back to Don't Bring Dinner. I'm Katie Morgan, and today I am over it. I'm so mom burnt out today. My husband's been out of town on business. The kids are wild, so I'm just going to figure something out in the pantry. And bear with me. Let's do a mom dinner tonight. All right, so garlic pasta. This is what my family, we eat this probably as much as a regular family would eat macaroni and cheese from a box. So this is our alternative. My stepdad is Italian, so we have a lot of Italian dishes that we would make all the time growing up, and this was kind of our after-school pasta that we would have. You need a very easy, this is pantry stuff. This is penne noodles, a whole box. You need 1 can of stewed tomatoes. Take about 90% of your liquid out of it. If you find the cans that are stewed and diced with they've got oregano in them sometimes and basil, that's beautiful. The more flavor, the better. Typically, I would take basil from the garden, but the bunnies ate it all this year, so that's not an option for us. You need mozzarella cheese shredded for on top, and garlic, yummy, yummy garlic. We love garlic in this house, so about 5 cloves you're going to need for this pasta. Garlic's so good for you. It's good for the pores. It's just good for your insides. And then olive oil, which I also think is so good for you as well. It's good for the skin and good for your hair, and just such a better alternative to mac and cheese. So, all right, I'm starving, so let's just do this.
Step 1 is your most difficult step, and it is only boiling noodles. Boil your noodles, drain them, set them aside. Step 2, I want you to generously coat the bottom of your pan with extra virgin olive oil. I know my pans have seen better days, but they're still functioning, so why would I replace them? I love them.
I think these bracelets are too loud. I'm going to get rid of them for a second. Okay, these are going in the garlic press. So we're going to do 5 cloves of garlic. I take the ends off. I don't know how you're supposed to do this, honestly, but this is just what I do, kind of. And then put it in there, press it in before I start to heat it, because when it sizzles back, sometimes it sprays me, and I hate that. So I'm sure that's not the best way. You probably want to heat the olive oil up first and then add this, but whatever. We're here to make life easy and less dangerous. All right, so this part you have to kind of move a little bit fast. Let's spread out our garlic. And it's going to heat up, and once you see it kind of bubbling a little bit, you just want to really start to smell it. And as soon as you smell it, stop cooking it, and we're adding in the tomatoes. So make sure your tomatoes are on hand. All right, here we go. You can kind of hear it. I don't know if you can hear that on camera yet, but the bubbles are starting. We're heating up fast. So don't leave this. Move it. Oh, it smells so good. My goodness. Okay. And that's it, you guys. We're there. Okay, so we're going to now add in our tomatoes and the juices. It doesn't look like much, but I promise you this is so good. Now we're just going to let this kind of simmer for 2 minutes, not even, and you're done.
Now you just pour your garlic tomato mixture over your cooked pasta. Sprinkle with a little salt, mozzarella cheese, and you have a beautiful, colorful dinner. You'll have to take my word for it. The kids loved it.
There you have it. We did not burn dinner this week, so I really hope that you enjoyed this week's recipe, and I hope that you try this, and I hope you love it. So thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye.